Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Concepts with HP Sir. So today we are going to discuss about some questions from your exercise 12.1 on exponents and powers, where the first question we have to evaluate 3 to the power minus 2. So as we had discussed in the previous videos, we have already seen the different rules that we have to use in this chapter. So let's begin. In the first question, the exponent given to us is 3 to the power minus 2. So as we all remember, we had a formula a to the power minus m, which can be written as 1 by a to the power m. So using this same formula, we can say that 3 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 2, which is equal to 1 upon 9. Moving on, the second question is minus 4 to the power minus 2. So again we will use the same formula and reciprocate the base of the number. So it will become 1 upon minus 4 to the power 2. That can be written as 1 upon 16, because minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is plus 16. Moving on to the third part, again using the same formula, we can write it as 2 to the power 5, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, which is equal to 32. So let's move on to the next question, which states that simplify and express result in power notation with positive index. The first question, minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. So first of all, as you can see in this question, the base is same but the powers are different. So we will apply the rule that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Hence we can say that minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8 is equal to minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8, which is equal to minus 4 to the power minus 3. But as you can see, now the power of the base is negative, but we have to express it in positive index. So we can reciprocate the base and it will become 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. So this is our final answer. Moving on to the second question. Here the number given to us is 1 upon 2 cube whole square. So over here we will use the formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. The powers get multiplied. Hence 1 upon 2 to the power 3 whole square can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 6. So that is the final answer because the power is positive. Now I have skipped the third question. Hope you can try it yourself. If you have any doubts, do ask me in the comments below. Now on to the fourth question. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. So within the brackets we can again apply the same property that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this can be written as 3 to the power minus 7 minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Then 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Next step, it becomes 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now over here we will apply the rule that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. The powers are added. Hence it becomes 3 to the power 3 plus minus 5. That is 3 to the power minus 2. Now since we have to express the final answer in positive index, to make the power positive, we will reciprocate the base. So it becomes 1 by 3 to the power 2. Or you can write it as 1 upon 3 squared. So that is the final answer. Hope you have all understood. So now coming on to the third question. Here I'll be explaining question number 2 and 3 first. So the question number 2 is 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 within brackets divided by 2 to the power minus 2. So you have to find the value of this expression. Now again, using the formulas, 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Because we are reciprocating the base, so the power will become positive and the power is 1, so we don't need to write it down. Divided by 1 upon 2 whole square. Okay. Now within the first bracket, it becomes 1 upon 8 divided by 1 upon 4. So it is very simple now. You can write it as 1 by 8 into 4 upon 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. So that is your answer. Moving on to the third part. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So again, our first step will be to convert the power into positive index, which can be done by reciprocating the base. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. So this becomes 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is equal to 29. Okay, so the questions might seem tough, but they are very simple when you have learnt all the basic formula. Now the fifth part of this question number 3, that is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. So again, the first step will be to reciprocate the base so that the inner power becomes positive. So this can be written as minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Now remember that when you are reciprocating the base, the power is becoming positive, but this negative will remain negative. Okay, don't make that positive. So next line. Now we will use the formula a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. Hence this can be written as minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 to the power 4, which is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 81 upon 16. So that will be the final answer. Okay.